We at Fotoba, we do only finishing. We are specialized in finding solution for innovative solution for printing with all our partners, with Canon. And we just introduced our new jumbo roll to jumbo roll UV gel universal factory. The UV gel universal factory, it's a system that enables to print jumbo roll and then take on the other side, take up other jumbo rolls for further finishing. In other words, the excellent quality that you can get on those prints with the UV gel Colorado can then be treated, laminated, glued for further processes. And that is the goal of having the possibility for printing for very long time without any interruption. Enabling completely different application, opening a wide space to imagination how to make money. The UV gel wallpaper factories is a unique product that we've been developing with Canon to enable printing without stop, huge roll of wallpaper, enabling to come from the file down to a finished roll. That is exactly what is on-time delivering. So the file goes in and you get this for your customer on a beautiful quality, finally ready for being packed and delivered. Only with the help of Canon we managed to do this fantastic wallpaper factory. UV gel, that's the answer. Really, without a company like Canon that are so open and helpful into providing us for a machine to print, to test, and being really clever in giving us the right advices, to create something like this would have been very difficult from ourselves only. So we put our creativity into this, but Canon is supporting us 100%. I found it an excellent partnership.